Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to get coins on eFootball. So let's get started. We can get coins on eFootball by different options. For that, let's go to missions for now and click on objectives. You can choose any objectives. We can see we have got few objectives over here, so let's click on check, and here are various options where we can get the coins, and to receive them simply click on receive all, and they are received. Now simply click on OK. To know about our received coins collections or any rewards, let's go to extras and support and services and info, and here we can see balance saved. Here we'll be able to see all the coins GP we have received. Tap on this to know if you have received it or not. If not, you can click on receive to receive them as well. So this is all. This is how we can receive coins on eFootball. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.